Freddy Grover. I'm gonna kill myself tonight. Plane's too loud. Yep, one beautiful fucking plane. We sure do, stranger. Fucking plane, man. Oh my God. What is happening? Oh. So, call Flagstaff helicopter tours if you want a plane to just constantly be flying over your head. Fuck! The fucking train plane. Yes. Don't. Just pull your car in, man. Just pull it in. You can do it, bro. Nope, you couldn't do it. Oh, man, I've never seen so many like 18-point K-turns in my life. And that dude is sitting with his car on. That's incredible. Who are you people? Fucking cut. There's just like so much noise, right? Fucking raining again, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. How does this sound now? Fuck. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. What is this? Let's cut. That's right. Hey, assholes, stop making noise. Oh, sure, come the long way. Couldn't possibly have that conversation in the car.
Stare? Still rolling, you want me to cut?
No, keep rolling. Is that guy a wolf? You look like Team Wolf. It's a fucking Jerry Springer show over there. So give us a call. What does that sound like to you? Well, how about arriving to your helicopter in a wedding? Well, how about arriving to your what the fuck? Or going to your honeymoon in one of these babies. Oh shit, I'm losing it. That's right. Hey, so call Flagstaff helicopter tours if you want to take a fucking ride. Hey Freddy, do you ever have 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 suicidal? I'm so angry. Hey Freddy, do you ever have suicidal fucking thoughts, you piece of shit? Oh, no. Oh. I see her during the holidays. I'll kill you. I'll fucking kill you. With her mom in Michigan.